Hello guys, Ryan and Tyler here from Woodland Kings, and today we're going to show you how to make a spear. So let's get started. We'll go down because of that tree. Alright, push the top button again. Alright, so now to help make the spear harder, what you're going to want to do is create a fire, and then you're going to want to take the tip and some of the body of the spear, some of the shaft, and then what you're going to want to do is put that over the fire, and then we'll show you what to do then. So what you're going to want to do after you have started your fire and it's around at this, it's hot enough, you think, to start burning your spear, or not fully burning, but what you're going to want to do is put your stick over the fire, and then you're going to want to wait until it's blackish at the tip. Alright, so what you're going to do, so if you had it leaning over the fire like this, then you're going to want to spin it around because the other side might not be as burned as the other. Just want to get it all equal on both sides. And burn the other side. Alright, so once your stick is done and all around is completely black at the tip, you're going to want to take it and find a nice strong rock like this one, and you're just going to rub all sides until generally all the black is gone. So once you've gotten your tip to a decently sharp point, you're going to want to get all of the black stuff off. So what you're going to probably do is take a knife. If you do not have a knife, a small rock could work, but a knife would be the most convenient if you have one. And then you're just going to get everything off. It may take a little while, so. Alright, so you're not going to actually be able to get all of the black parts off. As long as you get every single bit that is not that's loose, you should be good. So right here, like parts like that are sticking up, you're just going to take that and shave those off. And that's pretty much it. After that, you have your spear done, and you're able to get yourself some food and protect yourself.